So, hi Miroslav, and welcome to us here on Middlecon today.
Hi, it's great to be here.
Miroslav, what is your experience within the integration area?
Well, I'm working as an integration expert for the last 15 years here at Croz, and I have experience with various platforms and protocols in this time frame.
Yeah, and we know now that Microsoft has announced that BizTalk is going end of support in 2028. And for us, that means that you need to, or for the BizTalk customers, that means that they need to migrate to the new Azure integration services in the cloud. But if you have a customer that for some reason cannot move to the cloud, what would you suggest to be a good solution for them?
Yes, that is one way for migration to happen, to go into the cloud, but it is not for everyone, as you said. There are some security concerns and also regulations that prohibit these moves for the customers, and they have options, of course. They can choose to stay on premise and modernize their current infrastructure, maybe moving to some modern microservice architecture and use some modern technologies such as containerization, which is now very popular, and it can be very applicable in these integration scenarios as well.
If you have identified that you need to stay on-prem with your integration solution and you are in a current BizTalk environment and you really don't know how to go forward, what will be your suggestion for the next step?
Yes, so I think now it's the opportunity for the customers to look into their environments and how they want to proceed with the integration environments endeavors they have. And I think it would be a good opportunity to look into these modern stacks and maybe develop some integrations using the popular programming frameworks and libraries that are now accessible. This would give them a possibility to use different frameworks, testing frameworks to test these integrations, to make sure that new integrations work the same as the old one, and to use all of these DevOps practices that we have today that can enable them to really be quick and agile in implementation of these integration scenarios, and also to be in the trend or to follow requirements that they might have from the consumer side, be it a new protocol, new security requirement, or API exposure, all these things that currently our customers are having a need for. And now we have a big push for AI with data that is needed, and this data, it cannot come from unstructured databases. You need some kind of a control governance, and here is the integration platforms that prove this kind of a governance needed to expose this data under the secure manner in this kind of scenarios. So yes, we see a need for some modern platforms and frameworks that needs to be used, and this is a problem for BizTalk customers, as BizTalk will not have a much new features added, if any, now when it's going out of support, and these kind of features, they could be needed in these new scenarios, integration scenarios that customers are facing.
Yeah, and we know that BizTalk has announced that they are going end of support in 2028. And for us, that means that you need to, or for the BizTalk customers, that really don't know how to go forward, what will be your suggestion to for the next step?
Yes,
Thank you, Miroslav, for your viewpoints on this one. And for you customers out there that are interested in investigating this a little bit more, we offer, of course, free workshops that we can dive into your environment and have a discussion with you on how to do this in your specific case. And thank you, Miroslav, for meeting up with us.
Thank you, Bart.